All right, for today, we're going to practice counting some place value blocks, so our base 10 blocks. So if you need to pause the video for just a second, get out either a marker board and a marker or a piece of paper so that you can try writing down these numbers with me, okay? All right, welcome back. So here we go. We're going to practice looking at some little strips, and these strips have base 10 blocks on them. And you're going to see the strips, sorry, let me get those together here. You're going to see hundreds, tens, and ones. So look at this with me. You might notice the hundreds. So if we count those together, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, then what do we have to do? 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, we're done counting by tens, 681, 682, 683, 684. The number right here is 684, and what I'd like for you to do is write that down. Okay, what digit is in the tens place of 684? The 6, right? There are 6 10 sticks right here, and those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, there are 8 10 sticks because it was 84. Sorry, yeah, there were 80 in the tens place. It doesn't mean that there are only 80 tens, because remember, each one of these are made up of 10 sticks. Make 100. So these could be made up of 10 sticks. But once we get 10 of them, we group them together, we bundle them up, and we call it a 100. So it's one group of 100. So very good. Your digit, you should have put a 6 in the hundreds place. You should have put an 8 in the tens place and a 4 in the ones place. 684. All right, we're going to do another one. Here we go. What is this one? So let's look at the hundreds together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. That's a lot, but we're done counting by hundreds. So here we go. Count by tens. 910, 920, 930. Write that down. What would it look like? 930. All right, if I said what digit is in the tens place, you would say 3. There are 3 tens in the tens place, but that doesn't mean there are only 3 tens in that number, because we know 10 sticks make 100. We bundle them up and we put them in something like this called 100. A 100 is one group of 100. It's 10 sticks put together, 10 longs, right? Okay, so that's a big old number, 900. You didn't know we were going to get to numbers that big right now, huh? You're only in 2nd grade, but you're so smart. I knew you were ready for it. Here we go. Let's go again. Look at this one. I know it's upside down. Boop. Here we go. Ready? Count it out with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. What do we call that? You're right. It's 801. How do you write 801? Do you see any 10 sticks here? No. So if you were to draw out your HTO chart, it would say H for hundreds, T for your tens, and an O for ones, because we know ones is a trick word. It starts with an O. So if I knew there were 8 hundreds blocks out here, I'd put an 8 under my hundreds. I knew there's 1 down there by itself, and that's a 1 unit, a 1. I put a 1 in my ones. What about that middle? What about the tens? You would need to put a 0 there to place fill it, okay? We know that 800s does have tens in it, right? They're all part of these hundreds blocks. So that's how they're in there right now. Okay, let's do another one. You guys are just getting going, I can tell. Let's see what you got here. Count it out with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. We're done counting by hundreds. So we're at 700. Let's keep going. Count by tens. 710, 720, 730. There you go. 731, 732, 733. Write that number down. That's a 3-digit number, and it's long, isn't it? So think about 733, and if I went to add 10 more to that, what number is 10 more than 733? If you thought about putting a 10 stick right here, and instead of there being 30, now there's 40, thumbs up to you. You're pretty smart. Instead of it being 733, it would be 743 because you would add one more 10 stick right in there. All right, I was just seeing if I could trick you, but I'm not getting you today. Let's see what else we can do. Look at this one. Ready? And go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. We're done counting by hundreds. We're going to switch to tens. Keep 500 right here. Ready? 510, 520, 530, 540, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546. Write down 546. So think about your HTO chart. 5 in the hundreds. 40 is 4 tens, so 4 in your tens place. And then what did we say? 6 in the ones place. So make sure you do your 6 over in the ones place. 546. All right, I'm going to ask you again. What is 10 more than 546? Well, all you would need to do is stick one more 10 stick in there, right? Instead of there being 4 tens, now you would have 5 tens. So instead of 546, now you have 556. Very good. If you notice, if you change your number from 546 to 556, all you would need to do is erase the tens place. Whenever I'm saying add 10 more, think about only the tens place changing, okay? Let's do one more. Last one for today. Let's see what you got. 100, 200, 300, 400. We're done with our hundreds. Keep 400 right here, but let's keep counting by tens. 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480. Okay, we're done counting by tens. 481, 482, 483, 484, 485, 486, 487, 488, 489. Write down 489. Very good. Okay. If I said, what digit's in the tens place? You would tell me an 8. The 80, the 8 tens. Good. The 8 is in the tens place. If I said, what is 10 more than 489? You would tell me, 499. Remember, add one more 10 stick in there, and that's all you have to do. 10 more is one 10 stick right here in this group. What if I said take 489, and I want you to tell me what 10 less is? I threw you for a loop, huh? Yeah, you would just take one of these 10 sticks off, and instead of there being 89, now you'd have 479. It would just go down one. Think about what you know about tens and one 10 stick, how you could easily add one in there or you could take it away. Think about what you know about the numbers 20, 30, 40, because if you can do 10, that's one 10. You can do 20 because that's two tens. And you could do 40 because that's four tens, right? So very quickly, you could add 10 or you could subtract 40. the same way because you can just picture those 10 sticks. All right, I've had fun with you today. I hope you have a great day.